All right, let's do the Vision Pro unboxing video. Here we go. All right. So just open this up. So first thing I noticed was that the inside of the box has changed. It's now got like a, I think that's new, the extra thing for that. So all recyclable cardboard. Good on you, Apple. And there it is. There's the new Vision Pro with the Solo Knit band. All right, so let's get a close-up of that. So we'll unclip the strap here and we'll lift it up out of the way. So there it is. New M5 with the dual knit loop. Super cool. And see what else it comes with. So underneath here, underneath this, again, this is all paper, which is really cool. You got the Vision Pro instruction book with the best cleaning cloth in the entire world, in my opinion, which is this. Oh, come on. Let's get that out of there. Yeah, this here cleaning cloth is the best cloth in the world. This one looks smaller than the previous one. Oh no, maybe not. So I'll show you my old one. This is the one that came with the first gen Vision Pro. You can see it's well loved, nice and dirty, but I use this to clean my glasses and my Vision Pro. It's great. All right, so that comes in there, new cleaning cloth. And of course, you know, all the Apple documentation. There's a little book in here too, which I've never actually looked at. I looked at it the other day on my first version. So you've got the new artwork in there, sort of the what comes with. So you get the Vision Pro, you get the light cover, battery, cleaning cloth, USB cable, 2 sizes of these light seals. One for if you wear lenses, you need to have a thicker one, and then we've got the chargeable battery, USB charger. And I saw in another review it's a brand new battery. But anyway, so you can check out the book at your leisure. Put that back in there. Just to get it all out. It's hard to get back in. Oh, it's got like a separate drawer. Huh. So the paper's got like an extra divider in there to get these, keep them separated. Anyway, enough of that. All right, so you got your battery here, you get the new. So in the video that Adam Savage showed, yeah, so it's a different USB charger now. It's got like a pop-out thing, and it goes from 40. You can see it under the paper there. It's 40 to 60 watt charger. This is the compare that to the original charger from the first version. This is just a 30 watt, I think. Upside down. Yeah, 30 watt, whereas this is 40 and it kicks up to 60 if needed. So, and this one's not universal, but yeah, I'm sure in Europe you get a bigger adapter. And then I got the USB-C cable there. Underneath here is the second light shield, or the holder for the second light shield, for the thicker light shield. Right. I'm going to set mine up without my optical lenses inside for now. But yeah, so that's what you get for $5,000 in Canada. That's the Vision Pro unboxed. Cool. So now I'm going to go set it up for the flyover. Cool. Oh, there's just one more thing. Since we're bilingual in Canada, cleaning cloth is also bilingual.